Welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is about how to add an attachment. After you compose your email using any type of email like Gmail or Hotmail, you will see your new email like this. You enter the recipient's email, enter the subject for your email, and type the text area. Then after that, if you want to compose an attachment on your email, you need to click on the paper clip icon at the bottom of the compose window. As you see, it will take you to your computer where you need to select a file to upload it into your composed email. Click on a file upload dialog box that appears. Choose the file you want to attach, then click Open. The attachment will begin to upload, where most attachments will upload within a few seconds. Some of them will take longer. When you're ready to send your email, click Send. You can click Send before the attachment finished uploading. It will continue to upload and Gmail will automatically send the email once it's done. Thanks for watching. See you later.